Ready to set up your LastPass Secure Vault? First, you'll need to confirm the LastPass extension is already installed on an approved desktop browser. You can confirm this by looking for the extension icon of a black square with 3 dots pinned to the toolbar. You may need to check your extensions to enable it or pin it yourself, depending on the browser. Your IT team may have done this already through an automated process, but if not, please contact them to have the LastPass extension installed or follow this link to learn how to install it yourself. Next, locate the LastPass service invitation sent by your IT team. It should look similar to this. Copy the activation code, then click on Activate LastPass. This will open up a form for activation. Paste in the activation code, and depending on your organization's identity environment, you may be required to enter in your federated password. Otherwise, you'll need to enter in a new master password specifically for your LastPass Business account. Once confirmed with a second entry, click Continue, and your vault will be created. Click OK to enter your LastPass vault, as you'll be automatically logged into LastPass through the LastPass extension, which will turn red. In the future, use the LastPass extension to log into your LastPass vault using your email address and either the LastPass master password or federated account password. Once you're logged in, use the Vault button to access your LastPass vault. As a new account, your LastPass vault will be empty, so we suggest you begin by adding in your first password. Well, that's it for setting up your LastPass Secure Vault. For more help, go to Help and then access our support center at support.lastpass.com.